Johnson, Freeman, Phelps. When we talk about the upper echelon of athletic performance, we consider these athletes. And with the Olympics coming up, Canon has reinvigorated their iconic 1 series with the EOS R1. Join us now as we put the camera through its paces with sports and lifestyle photographer, Dale Travers. So here we've got Dale Travers today joining us. Thank you so much for being a part of the video, Dale. Now tell us a bit about yourself.
So I'm a commercial advertising photographer specialising in sport.
Yep.
So I've travelled the world for the past few years working with a professional athlete. I'm really looking at stepping up to one of these bad boys.
Yeah, I saw it on your shoulder there. So that's obviously the new R1.
So we've got the new R1 here today, and I've only really been handed this recently, and it feels absolutely fantastic in the hand. I think I've been waiting a long time for this.
Well, we're in your domain here and obviously at the track and in the park. Do you want to tell us a bit about what you've got in store for today to test it out?
So today we've got a sprinter, and we're looking at shooting a lot of those explosions off the blocks and some fast-paced action. Perfect.
Well, that'll give us a chance to put all those new features to the test. Well, that's enough speaking for now. Let's go and test it out. The brand new EOS R1 features a 24 megapixel BSI stack sensor with the Digic X processor alongside the Digic accelerator. The Digic accelerator promises faster readout speeds, better rolling shutter performance, and faster and more accurate autofocus. The eye control autofocus feature seen in the R3 is also back, but this time boasting double the speed and double the distance allowed from the eye cup itself. Another exciting feature for both wildlife and sport shooters is the pre-continuous capture ability, allowing you to take frames before you even press the shutter.
So we're just going to test out this pre-continuous shooting right now at 40 frames a second, and whenever you're ready, mate. So just testing that out at that speed, I'm looking through the frames now. Really didn't miss anything of that. Plus it grabbed a few pre-frames as he was setting up. So I've just tested out the 40 frames a second electronic shutter against the 12 frames a second mechanical shutter, and I can definitely recommend the electronic shutter by far. We literally miss absolutely nothing at that sort of frame rate. And with the pre-continuous shooting, it's a fail-safe where you don't miss anything just before you start shooting. In other sports, this grabs those couple of extra frames just before the action happens, so you don't miss a thing.
One of the great AI implementations in this camera is the neural network noise reduction technology for high ISO shooting. This allows you to denoise any image you've taken in camera without stepping forward into the editing studio. Another exciting AI implementation is the in-camera upscaling, allowing you to take a 24 megapixel image and turn it into a 96 megapixel JPEG. So Dale, we've had a bit of fun shooting already. You've had the chance to warm up with the camera, get through the 40 frames per second, pre-continuous shooting. Any other features you're excited to test out?
So there's one more mode that I want to try out, is the people priority mode.
Oh, of course.
We're going to need 2 people for that, so I brought some shorts for you.
What do you mean?
Need 2 people, so you're up.
Better warm up, big fella.
Oh, you're kidding.
So I'm just going to do the people priority mode on this camera so we can lock in Alex as a priority. And then you'll see a little icon next to his face now showing that he's been prioritised.
How'd you go, Dale?
So you can see here, it's actually looking like it's prioritised Alex over you with the new face priority mode.
Perfect, that's what you wanted, I assume.
Exactly right.
For video shooters, the R1 offers 6K 60p recording for RAW and 4K high frame rate recording as well. I'll drop the rest of the details below. Another great plus for video shooters is Canon are implementing C-Log 2 alongside C-Log 3 for video shooting. Another addition that's going to satisfy a lot of filmmakers is now that the R1 will feature a full-size HDMI input. Another exciting feature is the dual shooting mode, allowing you to capture full HD video alongside JPEG stills at the same time. With this feature, you can shoot full HD video at 60 frames per second alongside 17.8 megapixel stills at 10 frames per second. So Dale, that's a whole day in the park giving the R1 a workout. How did you feel it went today?
I'm loving it, to be honest.
Yeah.
I think I've missed having an R1 in my hand, or a 1 series in my hand for quite a while.
I know you were shooting a lot professionally, obviously on the 1D series, and that's what you get, isn't it? Professionalism.
Yeah, I think it's next level. I've been shooting on the R5 since it's been out now, and I feel like this is the next step up, which it is. The build quality, the buttons placement and everything on the back. I mean, once you start using it, it feels like a 1 series again, and it feels really comfortable to use. And I think in pressure situations, you kind of need to know where the buttons are, so you know where they are instead of searching for them.
Now, Dale, obviously you got to test out a host of new features today with your workout. What features impress you the most?
I think the people priority tracking really nailed the focus when you've got multiple subjects in frame, because often you can't use the autofocus, can jump around, but once you lock people in.
And obviously you had a bit of a workout with the eye control as well?
The eye control works really well. I mean, it really focuses on where you're looking through the back of the camera, which is super helpful.
Yeah, and I know a few complaints maybe with the R3 is that it just didn't pick up the eye easily, but it seemed like today you were able to use it from quite a distance as well. Yeah,
I think they may have extended the cup on the back, and it really shows that it makes a hell of a difference when you're looking through the back of the camera.
Yeah, cool. Cool, awesome. Well, obviously we want to thank today Canon for allowing us to use the camera for the day. Obviously we got a chance to put it through its paces somewhat, and hopefully we did it justice. Dale, any closing thoughts from you?
I love this camera. It's really solid. Everything works really well on it, and I just can't wait to get one.
What's the best way, Dale, for potential clients to find you as well?
My website is daletravers.com, or socials under Dale Travers.
Perfect. Awesome. If you found this video today helpful, please like and subscribe. Obviously, if you have any questions related to the camera, please give us a call on 1300 431 431. Follow us on socials, or we hope to see you in store. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks again to Dale. Have a great day.